Ever wrestled with ensuring your important files look exactly the same for everyone who opens them? Today, we're unlocking the secret to universal document compatibility by learning how to make PDFs on your laptop. Our first method is for when you're already working in popular document software like Microsoft Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. Go to the File menu, and then select Save As. Click Browse to choose where you want to save your file now. Critically, look for the Save As Type drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down, and you'll see a list of formats. Select PDF. Then simply click Save. Your document is now a universally shareable PDF. What if your document isn't in a readily convertible program, or you're viewing something online? The Print to PDF function is your best friend. Open your document or website and go to your print option. This is usually found by clicking the 3 dots or lines in the corner of your browser or application, then selecting Print. In the Print dialog box, you'll see a list of available printers. Look for an option that says Microsoft Print to PDF, Save as PDF, or something similar. Select this Print to PDF option as your printer. Now, instead of printing to paper, click Print. Again, a new window will pop up asking you where to save your PDF. Choose your save location, give your PDF a name, and click Save. It's that simple. These methods ensure your formatting stays intact, making your documents easy to share, print, and access on any device without losing an ounce of quality. Mastering PDF creation on your laptop is a powerful skill, and now you have the tools to do it with ease.